All set now, ready to race. And the race is on. Field runner from the outside, September morning. Laun Laan down on the inside. In the middle is Go Vinny, and Stormtrooper is the early trailer. Rounding the clubhouse turn, it's still entry number 6, Field runner. Laung Laan down on the inside, September morning. And watching him forward by some 2 lengths, Go Vinny, Stormtrooper. Racing at the 3/4 mile distance, Field runner by a length and a half, Laun Laan in second, September morning. And racing in fourth from the outside, joining them is Go Vinny. As they move towards the back, Field runner, September morning, Go Vinny, Laun Laan down on the inside, and Stormtrooper is still racing last. Passing the half-mile post, Field runner, September morning in the middle. Go Vinny is taking his time from the outside. Field runner, Go Vinny is now running in second, September morning. Rounding the far turn, Field runner by ahead, Go Vinny rushing up now to take the lead. Go Vinny is now the leader, followed by Field runner, September morning, Laun Laan, and getting closer is Stormtrooper as they swing for home. Go Vinny by some 2 lengths now. Laun Laan is now running in second. Field runner, Stormtrooper, and September morning. And nearing the finish line, Go Vinny by some 3 lengths. Laun Laan, Stormtrooper, and nearing the field line, Go Vinny, Laung Laan, Stormtrooper, September morning. Field runner comes last.
Okay, crossing the wire first, the heavy favorite entry